Hello, kids. So, we all are together once again to learn something new again. That's true. So, what we are going to do today, we will be making train. Yes, with the help of paper only, paper and glue. That's all. Yes, yes, yes. So, this is called origami. Yes, in origami, what we do, we fold the papers in some folds in some way and just join them and make some new thing. Okay, so generally we don't use scissors in origami, but some places or in few things we need scissor, then we use it. Okay, so the use of scissor is very less in origami. Only we keep on folding the paper, we keep on sticking the paper, and all that makes a new thing, and that is called origami. Okay, so it's big fun to learn origami and make many things with the help of origami technique. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. Okay, so let's go on the workstation and see what we need. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. I think you all are so excited. Yes, I can see dear. See what we are going to make. I'll just show you. See, we'll be making train like this. Yes. So see, there are many choices. You can make this type of, you can use this type of two colors. I have used, that's why two, three colors so that you get a choice. You can use color like this, variation, or you can make, I'll just show you with do the color. We will make engine with this black color and the bogies with this red color. Okay, so we have both the options. I have shown this with variation of color. See, this I have shown with these two colors. So if you wish, you can make the train with these two colors, giving two colors, or if you wish, you want to just a typical our Indian Railways, then you can go with black and red also. Okay. So let's see what you all have. Okay, other than this, what we need, that's all. We need glue. That's all, nothing extra. So I'll just show you what we need and how much. Okay. So children, again I repeat, the choice of color, the choice of paper of color is totally on you, and the thing is of availability. What is available to you is perfectly fine. Okay. So I have taken two squares of black color because we will make engine with this black color. Okay. It's perfectly optional, dear. I see, here I have taken another color also. See, can you see? Like this. So it is just a matter of choice which color you want to take. You can take blue, you can take green, any other. Okay. So I am taking this for engine. So two squares. Yeah, again the size of the square is also optional. You can take according to the choice you want to make big. See, this type of train you can make, you just do half of A4 size and then make squares. See, I'll just show you. We can take a paper of A4 size like this. This is A4 size paper. Make it half and then make the square. Okay, so it is perfectly fine. I can see you all are having squares. Very good. So little bit up and down in the size is not to worry. Okay, okay. So I'll just show you how many big squares we need. See, we want to make minimum three. One is engine and two bogies. If you want to make more, then the number of paper will increase. But today we will make at least three. One engine and two bogie. And afterwards, if you want to make more, you can add to it. Okay. So I'll just show the material according to this. So this I have taken. So 2 for the engine and 4 I have taken for the bogies. So total 6 I am having. So one thing needs 2 paper. One engine 2 paper, one bogie again 2 paper, another bogie 2 paper. So total 6 papers, 6 squares I have taken. Okay. So now every bogie needs 2 wheels. So 2 and 2. So 4 wheel. This will need 2. And this is a small piece. These small squares. See, these are the small squares I have taken. So we need 4 for the engine. And 4 and 4, 8 for the bogies. So I have taken 8 small squares for the bogies. Okay. Can you see? Yes. So 4 for the engine. These are the small squares. Yes. So they should be smaller than this because we will make wheels. See, I'll show you. We will make wheels with this small. That's why. Okay. So one bogie needs 4 small squares. Again the second one needs 4 small square, and again the third one needs 4. So 4 and 4, 8 and 4, 12. 12 small squares and 6 big squares. Okay. So I hope you all can understand now. See, these two and these two, 6 big squares, and 4 and 4 and 4 small squares, 12. And one we will make this chimney type of thing on the engine. Okay. So for that we need 2 more small squares. So once I'll tell you again, just don't worry. 6 big squares and 14 small squares. That's all. Color is totally according to your choice. Just don't worry about the color. You can just take any color, dear. It's 100% on your choice. Okay. So just don't worry. I'll repeat the material again, and we will need the glue. That's all. Nothing more paper or nothing more doing anything. So I'll just repeat: 6 big squares and 14 small squares. That's all. Okay. So color you can do whatever you want. So 6 big squares and 14 small squares. I'll just show. See, I am having 2, again 2 and again 2. So 6 squares I am having. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And 12 small squares. 4 and 4, 12. And 1 for chimney. So like this. So 14 small squares I have taken and 6 big squares I have taken. And glue. That's all, dear. So just get ready with the square papers. See, if at all you don't have colored paper, if then just make it with the white paper. Don't worry. It's perfectly fine, dear. You can do it with the white paper also. The only thing is, if you make with colorful paper, it looks little beautiful. Otherwise, there is no problem with white paper. See, I have used white paper here in between little. See, there is no problem in taking white paper. Can you see? That's why I have taken variation in color so that you can see. This is blue and white I have taken. This is red and white. And here we will be making with black and red. Okay. So all the options I am showing you. So just don't be sad. Don't worry that I have this now. I don't have this much color or I don't have this color. Okay. It's perfectly fine with the color. Just cut the squares, 6 big squares and 14 small squares. Okay. That's perfectly fine. So now let's start, dear. What we will do, I'm just keeping the small squares aside. First we will go with the big squares, okay? See, the process is so easy, but you have to keep on repeating the process. So just, I'm starting with the red. Okay. So what we will do, just make like this. Fold from between and give a small crease over here. Don't fold the full, just give a small crease. So we get the middle point. Can you see? Yes. So we get the middle point, okay? So now, okay, just fold it full so that it becomes easy. I'll show you. Just fold full. Give one fold like this, okay? Make it half so you get the middle point. Now what we will do, just look at me. Just do it like this. Bring to the half. And this side also the same way. Okay? Now I am just keeping this aside and showing you again, so that it is easy for you. What I'm doing, I'm just making this half. See, can you see? Now we got a crease over here. So what we will do, we will just bring it like this. And here also like this. So I hope children you get me now. I have shown in two papers. I'll show you again afterwards, just don't worry. Okay. So now what we have to do, after this, just give a fold like this. So can you see now? This is the triangle we are having here and like this, okay? And now what you will do, you will just fold up from between. So you get a triangle like this, you can see, okay? Now just keep this aside. Now we will do the same process with all the 6 squares. The big squares, na? We will do the same process. I'll show you one by one again, don't worry. See, first we made half of this and then we did like this. And now just give a fold like this. Once you fold like this, again fold like this. So we got 2 pieces like this. Okay, I'm just keeping this aside and showing you the same process again. We have to fold all 6 big squares in the same way. Okay, so just look at me and you will be easy. It will be easy for you to do. Just make it half and give a crease in the middle of the paper like this. I hope it is clear, bacha. Very good. So after that, open this and just give a fold like this from the middle. You have a crease, so it becomes easy for you to fold, na? Yes, that's why we gave a crease all over, so that it becomes easy for you. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to know how to fold. So that's why I asked you to give a crease all over. Okay. Once you fold like this, give a fold again like this and like this. So again you get a third piece ready, okay? So see, we are having 3 pieces like this. Now we are going for the 4th one. Again we will make a fold from middle of the paper, just from the middle, and give a crease like this. Okay. Now open it and fold like this. So I hope children now you all get it what to do. Yes, it's easy, bacha. Okay. Now just fold like this. Okay. So you get 4 pieces. Can you see? Yes, after doing this, like this. So now the 4 pieces are ready. Okay. So first we will do this 4 paper in use, take 4 paper in use, then we will go for the another 2. Okay. So now just take two papers. I have just kept two papers aside and taking two papers. Now see, can you see? This is triangle coming down. See, this is the, can you see the triangle is coming down? So keep one like this and one like this. See, in this, the triangle is going up. And here the triangle is coming down. So one paper keep triangle up and one paper keep triangle down. So just fold it like this and like this. So this is down and this is up. Can you see? This is coming, the corner is coming up and here the corner is coming down. Okay. See, this is up, this is down. And now just put this in one another. Like this. They will just fit in one another because they are the perfect square of same size. Do you get me? So now what you will have? You will have a hollow like this. So make it, see this is the crease already there. So just make a crease like this and we get a perfect square. So see, we get a square. So beautiful it is looking, na? Yes. Just fold it nicely so that we get a nice square. Okay. Okay, I'll just repeat this again. So one bogey, the shape of one bogey is ready. Okay. So see, we had this two type of triangles. Okay, we folded. So one, this is coming down. And now just turn it like this. See, this is going up and this is going down. Can you see? See, this is like this and this is like this. So they are opposite to each other. The triangle, the top portion is here and here the top portion is up. Now just fold it like this. So they are opposite to each other, isn't it? See, just like this. This is down and this is up. Again, look, see, this is down, this is up. And now just put in one another and they will fix like a bogey. Just see, they just go in one another perfectly. Because the squares are all equal, na, that's why. Okay, and this crease is already made. So this is fine. So now it becomes a hollow like this. I'll show you. See, there is a hollow. So what we will do, we will just make a more one crease like this. Just press a little. We want a perfect square. So just press. Okay. See, now we get a square like this. So we got two squares. So already two squares are ready. Okay. Very good. So now I am keeping this aside. And we will go with the black color. You can go with any color. I told you in starting only, dear. Okay. That's right. So again we will make the same process. See, the folding process is same for all the squares. So now it won't be difficult for you. I have made half. That's right. Wonderful. And now just give a fold. Like this. And now I will bring this down. Okay. And after that, one fold again. That's all. Same fold. All the papers will have same fold. Okay. So now I am repeating on this paper. What we will do now, I know you all know well. Okay. So just fold it from the middle and give a fine crease. That's right. Yes. I think now no confusion. Na? We repeated it so many times. So this is the sixth time we are doing. So now to no confusion at all. Okay? Okay. So now just a fold from this side and a same fold. Just wait, just wait. Okay, and same fold from this side and a fold like this. I hope you can see now. Okay, that's right, that's right. And the last fold. Okay. So now again, let's see. This is coming down. And now we will put like this, so this will be going up. See, the closed portion is up and here the closed portion is down. So we always have to keep like this. Now just take like this and like this. So, see, this is the top portion and here the top portion is down. Get it? See, this is the top portion and here the top portion is here. So again the same thing, we will put in one another and they will fit in like this. Do it so they will just go within because the squares are same. See, like this. So again it is become hollow like this. Can you see? So this crease was so perfectly we have given already. Now we will give the another crease. Make it fold from the middle and give a crease both the sides. Very good. I have taken a little thick sheet, that's why it's taking time. Okay. Yes. See, now we got a beautiful square. Okay. So see, now I'll show you how we are going to make. This is the engine and this is the bogie. So the train is looking beautiful, isn't it? Our Indian Railways generally before not now so they all are having so many colors. The cars trains are also having so many colors, but formerly always when we were using coal engines at that time we were having black engines and red. Yeah, so this is a traditional color of our railways. That's why I have taken this. You can take any, dear, don't worry, this is the only thing I'm telling you, not to worry. Okay, so our bogies and engines are ready. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now we will make the same process and just keeping this aside and we will go for the wheel. So same thing. All the folds are same. Just fold it from between. That's right, dear. Again the same. Fold from here. Yes, this is small, so it will just become a small square, not to worry. Okay. And a fold like this. Same thing in all the 12, 14 papers. Just fold same. So now till by to you all know the folds, okay? So now I don't need, I think that you all are having difficulty in folding the papers. So just keep on folding all the papers like this. See, when the fold is ready, one you have to keep down. See, this is coming down. Can you see? And here, this is going up. So you have to put again like this. They will just fix in one another. They see. So now we get a perfect like this and we get a hollow part. Can you see? So we get a hollow part and make a fold like this. So we get a square again. Okay. So we want now small because we will be making wheel with this small squares. Okay. So just go on making like this with all the small squares. I'm just repeating, just be with me. See, one I have given the middle crease. Then same process, same process. And a fold like this. Each and every square needs to be folded in the same way. So can you see? See, again I have made two. This is, the point is coming down. And here the point is going up. So same way we will just put in one another and they will fixed in each other. See now. So now we get a hollow part like this. And we get another wheel. Can you see? So these are the small wheels getting ready for our train. So children, I hope now there is no problem in folding portion, okay? We have done so many times that now it is easy for you, okay? Yes, I guess now it's so easy. Now you must be finding it quite easy and you just can do it, okay? See, every square is to be folded in the same way. So now just keep on folding and making the small wheels. I'll just show you and just do it. Okay. So we need two and two, 6 and 1, 7 wheels, 7 circles, this type of small wheels we need. So we have totally 14 pieces. Okay. So again, I'll show you. See, this is coming down and this is going up. So they will just go in one another and they become square. Okay. And now it becomes a hollow. See, like this. And just fold it again and it becomes square. So 3 wheels are ready. Okay. So now we will be making how many? We need 7. So still 4 we are going to make. So just be with me and keep folding. So when in the last, when we will put all the wheels on its place, then you will be having wonderful, beautiful train in your hands. Yes, that time you will feel that I have made such a beautiful work. That's right. You may find it little bit hard in starting. You may find it that it is so hard work. But when you get the beautiful train, you will be so happy that you did so much of work. Okay, so all the foldings are same dear. Just make it half from the middle and just fold this two and a fold like this. Okay. So see again this point I have kept down and here the point I have kept up. And I am just putting in one another and the square is ready. So you can see dear, all the folds are same. Can you see? I'm just folding it in the same way like the first one. So each and every fold is similar. If you find that you are tired, you can make just two also. Two also, okay? If you find it that it is not, it's very tiring, make it two. Then afterwards you can make more, okay? See again, this is the top part, I'm bringing it down, and here the top part I'm taking up and just putting in one another, and we will get a perfect hollow wheel. Yes. Just wait, I have not folded it properly, now that's why it's not fixing. So we have now 5 wheels. So only 2 to go. Very good. So you all are with me now? Good, good, good. I know you all are so smart. Yes, yes, yes. That's why. Very good, very good. I know you all want to make something new always. As always, you are so ready to make the new things, okay? That's why I bought this beautiful train for you. So you will be so happy to make. Same folding, see. I'm nothing doing new, okay? So just don't worry. All the foldings are just same. 1, 2, 3 and all. That's that. So first this, second this and this. That's all. And the folding part is finished. It's so easy that you can make it fast. See again this top portion down, this top portion up, and we will just put in each other and the circle is ready. Yes, and thus make a like this and the wheel is ready. Yes. So see, 6 things are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Good, good, good. And the last. Very good. Right from the middle. And then one fold like this. One fold from here. And like this. Okay, that's right. And this. Okay, so same the fold like before. Okay, nothing new. And now see, I'm just taking this down. Here I have taken this up. And we will just put in one another. And the wheel is ready. So can you see all the 6, 2 for 1 bogey, 2 for 1, 2 for 1 and 1 for the top. All ready dear? That's nice. So let's get started. We will stick it to the main part, okay? So just take all the bogies with you. Okay. Now what we will do? Just take it and put the glue right over here. And just put it on one bogie, okay? The colors you can take according to your choice. Whatever you have decided that this color I will make, I'll give to this bogie, so you can take accordingly. See, I have just put two wheels on this bogie, okay? Now I am taking the another one. So can you see we have not used any scissors here. We have just folded it and given the shape. As I told you, generally in origami we don't use scissor. Sometimes you will use for some little things, but very often. So just see all the wheels I have put on this. Now this is the last one I am putting. Okay. See, can you see all these three wheels are ready with these three trains are ready with their wheels. See, this I made engine and these two bogies. So I have put wheels on each and every. So just give a little press so that the wheels come to their place properly. Okay, that's right. Now they can stand on their wheels. See, okay. And this is the last one that we will be putting on the top here. So just put glue here. Okay, and I'll show you. See, just put it here like this. Okay, so now what we will be doing, just take small piece and put glue like here, just little bit of here and little bit here. I'll just show you, just wait, see like this. Okay, and put here in the middle of the bogies, one this side and one this side. So your bogies will be joined to each other. Can you see this? I have just put with the help of some long thing, just press it little. Okay, so now here for engine I am taking black strip. Okay, so just stick it. See, again same process I am doing. I am just putting on both the corners. See, one portion will be going in first bogie, the second portion will be going in the adjoining one. So they will just get connected to each other. Can you see? See, this way I have just put the strip. Just look at this. I have put it here like this. And now I will be putting here in this another bogie, so that will join with that. So it will take little time to dry. That's all. Okay. So now I'll just make it straight and I'll show you. Just don't worry. So can you see? So this is our engine and these two are its bogies. So it's looking so very beautiful. Yes, the red and black color, na? It's so beautiful. I love this color. I hope children you also like the color. Otherwise you can take whatever color does, don't worry. This is just only a suggestion, bacha. Don't worry about the color, okay? It's perfectly fine, whatever colors you have taken. Just don't be sad. It takes little time to dry, that's all. Because the Fevicol takes little time. Otherwise, the bogies are attached to each other. Very good. So, your train is ready. You can put it in your decoration piece like a. So beautiful it is looking. Yes. So I don't think it was difficult. Was it difficult, dear? Just give a thumbs up. Okay, I can see. Yes, not difficult. So you all find it very easy. That's right. That's right. Okay, okay. So children, are you happy? That's right. Even I am happy by making this train. So see, like this, now you can make more bogies if you want. This is of your choice. So this is the one with one engine and two bogies. Then afterwards, if you have time and if you feel like making, you can just add one or two more bogies and the train will give you a wonderful effect. If you don't tell anybody, nobody can guess that you have made such a beautiful train with your hand. They will think that you have brought from the market. That's right. So this wonderful train looks beautiful in your toys. That's right, dear. Very good, very good. So I can see the happiness on your faces. So beautiful. So just show me what you have made. Just show me on the screen. I want to see the thing that you have made. I am so happy to look the happiness on your face, dear. Wonderful, wonderful. That's very nice. So you all have taken so many colors. That's look nice, beta. Yes, all the colors are beautiful. I told you in starting only. Each and every color is beautiful. It goes according to your choice, dear. The only thing you have to learn is how to make it. The color is not the problem. If you can make it in one color, you can make it in all the colors, isn't it? That's right. So even if you have made it white, it's perfectly fine. That's right. So don't be sad with the color portion, okay? So all you have done wonderful job. I am so happy to see the train. That's so nice. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, dear. So I think you all are happy, excited. That's very nice. Even I am happy. Very good, very good. So it's time to say bye. Good, good, good. Have fun, dear. Make new things, learn new things always. And we will meet soon in some other session with new things, exciting and loving. Okay, so till then, have fun. Bye.